The Suarez Brothers Circus rolls into Portmore one last time, and we're taking you behind the scenes of their grand farewell show. This is the final night with the Suarez Brothers Circus in Portmore. Let the show begin.
Ever blessed travelers! Welcome to another vlogs, my people. Today is with another difference. My people, we are in Portmore. As you know, Ever blessed intention is to travel. And my people, today I'm gonna take you to the circus. The distance there. And my people, I intend to show all that they have to offer inside there. So stay tuned and watch your Ever bless. Take on the one here. Right, first. My people, it's a 5 o'clock show. It is 2 and my people are rolling in slowly. Yeah.
Hold on to them. Relax.
Hey, what's up, my princess? You come to watch the show? You look nice. Say hi. You look so shy. Put on your glass and put it on. You say you're looking at your glass. Oh, you mean my granddaughter? Oh, you mean model pan them, yes? Something going on the inside now, my people. So stay tuned. I paid for my ticket. Just hope that I enjoy my $3,000. For my people, this is how on the inside look. They have the show inside with all the things, and then sell all different kind of things there. So they want and then say no re-entry. So they want to make sure they say when you go inside and hold your seat, you can. Wow. So that's what we see, my people. This is how the stage is set up. Now we're going inside. Inside look dark. People are rolling in, little, preparing for the show. What is gonna be happening on the inside? Just wait and you will see. Because this is gonna be my first time. As I think a lot of people. I got out of bag. We're going this side. Stay tuned, my people. We gotta be just hoping that there's a lot of excitement inside. So for you to enjoy. Hey. Hey, take some time off. We're going up. Step by step. Yeah? Listen.
The one that catch a stand guy skin.
Also, Wednesday? Yeah, my back too. So my people, this is that a tent. So what going to take place on this along? Like what? You have no idea?
Clone and choppies and all of that. To the cotton there. The marble pearl.
I have no idea what this is gonna be like. Here to my people and watch about that.
At least it's not hot. At least it's not hot.
Yeah.
I mean, understand what is ringside. Yeah. So, you say where the red chairs are? Where the red chairs are is for ringside. Yeah?
Black chairs are
The black chairs right here?
Yeah.
The 7,000?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So you say have a blessed seat? Have a blessed buy one 3,000 ticket? But anyway, I feel rather to be here because it's higher up where I can look right over and see the crowd. And I am just anticipating the beauty of this light when it turn on, later on. And this is how long? 2-hour show? It's a 2-hour show. And my people, I have no idea what I'm gonna be seeing. I expect to see animals. What kind of animals? Lion? Lion will come up and say, no, okay, we'll see. See you, my people. We'll see what kind of an animal. Oh, these are the lights are gonna shine on the stage. These lights here. Another one there. But stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on. But watch this space, my people. Watch this space. Some more people are rolling in. Yeah. It's supposed to be a 5 o'clock show. What time is it? 18 minutes after 5. The show is late. So it's supposed to be 5 o'clock show. Now it's 18 past 5. So we're waiting to see what is going to happen right there. Some people stay tuned and watch what's going on.
Oh my God.
To my family. Hi. How you doing, Mr. Smith? My people, as I get out of the circus. Smith, what's your name again?
Natalie.
Natalie Smith. And who we have here again? Shams.
Yeah.
Nisha, Jason Earl.
Right.
Our people. So you were in the early show?
Yeah.
Nice. So what did you like most about it?
Enjoyed it. When the girl, we call it
The girls.
yeah.
You like that part?
Yeah.
I think the bike park was crazy.
Them do the hula hoop.
Yeah, that was really crazy. So hey,
What's that?
you fall?
No.
What did you say?
That.
Balloon.
Oh, she won the balloon.
No.
What you say? I don't hear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let me introduce myself to you. I'm Ever Blessed Travels.
Okay.
I mean you comments all the time.
Yes. Okay.
I'll follow you from your husband. Color Summit. Color Summit, I'm a general.
Yeah.
Me call him, me for YouTube. My people.
Hello, guys.
Yeah. But I don't know what she's telling me.
No.
Ever Blessed Travels.
It's
I always in your comments, so you need to pay attention.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. You enjoy the show?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Come, no, Jason, no, come.
Jason, yeah. Hey, hi baby.
Jason. Come, we're going home now.
It's time to go home. Color Summit babies. Color Summit family, my people. So, enjoy your rest of your time.
Aye.
Ever Blessed Travels. Yeah, my people. That's why I come down, my people. As we get out of the show, we meet and greet. Alright. So, my people. That's why I come down. So, we're walking through the end of the show. We're going that way. So, my people. This show, my people, as I said before, my people, is a first, my first experience. And how did I find it? Awesome! So my people, like, share, and subscribe. Ever Blessed Travels. We'll see you in the next one.